Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. As usual, we'll start from the higher time frame. I'll be marking all the support and resistance levels in all the chart I'll be analyzing today. Please watch my video fully without skipping to know all the support and resistance level for each time frame. If you are new to my channel, we have a dedicated Telegram group where we discuss about possible trading opportunities. Please use the link placed in the description section for joining our Telegram group. Let us start with the analysis. So I am in daily time frame now. So when we look at the resistance and support levels in this currency pairs, presently the topmost resistance for the current price action is at 1870 and support levels are over here, which are all dynamic support levels, and they are narrowing down. So the ranges for trading is becoming narrower and narrower. So we should have a breakout on the downside or on the upside very soon. Presently the price is on a consolidation, and when we look at the pattern formation, it is actually replicating what was the pattern over here. It's a smaller version of the previous pattern. So since the price consolidation happened here within this range, then it broke on the downside. So I am also expecting the same pattern to be repeated, which means that there is a consolidation and a high formation, then there is a consolidation going on for now. I am expecting the price to trade within this range, then go and test on the downside dynamic support level, which is around 1743. Presently it is taking support on this dynamic support level, which is around 1766. So we can expect a price to go up and then bounce back, break this support level, which is around 1758, and then go and test on this dynamic support level. And if this dynamic support level doesn't hold, we can expect it to test the next level of support, which is around 1725. Because the price has gone over there previously, there is more chance that it will come to the same point to retest. So these are all the support and resistance level for the current price action. Please note all these levels in your chart so that you don't take trades on the wrong side. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. So I am in 4 hours time frame now. As explained in the daily time frame, the current price action is moving within this support and resistance level. So previously it was on a downtrend. Currently it has taken support on this 1761 support level and it is on a uptrend. So when we notice the price action, it is always moving within a channel pattern. When it was moving in a downside, there was a support and resistance level. Currently also it is moving within a channel pattern. So it is very easy to understand the character of this currency pairs price action. So whenever it bridges this support level, we can expect a trend reversal to happen. Whenever it breaks this resistance level, we can expect a strong bullish trend to continue. Currently it is sort of moving within this channel pattern. Let us mark the support and resistance level. So these are all going to be the support and resistance levels on the higher side and lower side. Please mark these ranges also in your chart. The values marked in green color are the higher time frame values. So it will be difficult for the current currency pairs to break it very easily. So there will be a strong support and resistance level. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. So I am in 30 minutes time frame now. Currently when we notice the price action, so it was on a very nice downtrend and it has taken support on this dynamic support from the daily time frame, and current price action is moving on a bullish trend within this channel pattern. And when we look at the current price action momentum also, when we notice it here, we had a very sharp fall. The candlesticks are very long, which means there were more force when the candlesticks were moving on a downside. But when we look at the current price action, the candlesticks are very shorter. Even though it is moving on a uptrend channel pattern, it has very little volatility to move on a upside. So from this candlestick formation, we can understand that the bullish strength is becoming weaker and weaker. It is sort of consolidating within this channel pattern. But still it is moving in a channel pattern. We can expect a break on the downside at any moment because we are seeing a consolidation. There is very little force on the bullish side when we analyze the chart from the 30 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance level in 30 minutes time frame. Currently when we notice the price action in 30 minutes time frame also, it was on a very nice downtrend. Currently I can notice that there is no trend in the market. It has gone up, again come back, again going up. It is sort of consolidating within these levels over here. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame and mark the support and resistance level in lower time frame. So I am in 5 minutes time frame now. So in 5 minutes time frame, we clearly notice that the current price action was in a very nice uptrend, and at this point it has broken this support level, and currently the market is in a downtrend. But when we notice the downtrend also, it has not gone and tested this bottommost support line of the channel pattern. It is still consolidating within this support and resistance level. Currently there is no trend in the market. It is a range bound market for now. When we draw a channel pattern, we can clearly notice that it is a range bound market for now. It doesn't have enough bearish trend or it doesn't have enough bullish trend also. It is sort of consolidating within these levels over here. Let us mark the support and resistance level. So these are all the levels in 5 minutes time frame. Please mark support and resistance levels and check whether the trend is there in the market. Then enter the trade. Don't enter the trade when there is a consolidation. So mark these ranges in your chart and plan your entry and exit based on the trend and the support and resistance level. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.